Hello, and welcome to the First at Home Electrical Circuits Design Challenge. For today's challenge, you will be creating a simple circuit with household items. And your criterion constraints for this challenge will be to design or fix an electrical circuit with supplies from your home. The circuit should be illustrated using flow that properly powers the circuit using Ohm's law. Use two power sources and two conductors. The circuit should be able to be open and closed. The circuit should use DC power only and be powered by no more than a 9-volt battery. And the circuit should follow proper safety procedures and guidelines. And some words in today's lesson that I want you to pay special attention to will be electricity, DC power, AC power, Ohm's law, circuits, insulators, schematic, current, switch, battery, and conductors. Now before you begin your challenge, I want you to first check out these video links so you can learn more about electricity and circuits. Now that you've watched those videos, I want you to answer these questions, which will help give you a better idea on what you're going to design. In your home, what types of power do you have, and what is the source of that power? What items in your house use electricity that meets the criteria and constraints above? Are there any items in your house that may be a non-traditional power source, like a lemon or a potato? What items in your house indicate that electricity is flowing? Do you have items that prevent electricity from flowing or allow the current to flow? And what are the properties of those different types of items? After you've watched those videos, it's time to have some fun. Design a simple circuit using the household items that you have discovered. And you're going to use your problem-solving skills in engineering design process to test which of the items works to complete the circuit. Like for example, can you use a banana to power a LED diode or a series of LED diodes? And look around your environment and examine various items. What materials are those items created with? And ask yourself if those items conduct or generate power. And will this material resist the flow of power or act as a switch? All right. Now your next step is to draw a simple circuit diagram. By using the items you have found in your home and the knowledge you have gained about circuits, you are now going to draw a circuit flow diagram labeling the power source, the conductors, electrical components, and switch using the correct symbols. And then you will test your ideas by testing your circuit design with various materials, record which items work and which items did not work when creating a circuit. And why do you think those items didn't work? And reflect as you watch them go through the process how much you improve the directions. If you want, you can use online collaboration with the parent to share your ideas with them, and then you can also discuss with them how you might improve your design to create a series or parallel circuit.
Go.
Now that you've completed your challenge, I have a couple questions I want you to answer. What material work as conductors and why? What materials work as power sources and why? What happens when the circuit is open, and what is happening to the electrons, and what is the difference between AC and DC power? Okay, and if you want, you can go further, because electrical engineers are not the only people fascinated with circuits. The theory of power is fascinating to more than just electrical engineers. You research the various areas of study that include circuits as part of the career pathway, what professional pathways are available to students, what credentials are needed, and what is the future forecast of need for these professionals. And you can fill in the career pathway matrix below. One hint is to check out the website ONET used by professionals in career analysis or Career Trend to find out more about a variety of careers that use electricity. And before you go, don't forget to fill out the core value self-reflection sheet, which basically helps you see how will you perform during this challenge.